Hello guys, welcome to Solidity and Smart Contract tutorials. This tutorial is for beginners who is looking to learn about Solidity and smart contracts. So, what is Solidity? Solidity is a object-oriented, high-level language for implementing smart contract. So Solidity is a programming language to create a smart contract. So what are smart contracts? So smart contract is simply a program that is stored on a blockchain that runs when pre-predicted conditions are met. And smart contract are programs which governs the behavior of accounts within the Ethereum state. So basically, the smart contract is it's a programs that is stored in a blockchain, and it will execute whenever the conditions are met, and it's also consists of accounts within the Ethereum state. So what is an Ethereum state, or what is EVM? So what do you mean by EVM is Ethereum virtual machine. So Ethereum virtual machine is the software platform that developer can use to create a decentralized application on Ethereum platform. So it's a platform for developers. Developers can use to create D app or decentralized applications. So virtual machines, this virtual machine is where all the Ethereum accounts and smart contract live. So we create smart contract with Solidity that we saw before. So Solidity is just an object-oriented high-level programming language. So with Solidity we create smart contract. So we already looked about smart contract. So smart contract is typically a small program that can run on EVMs, and EVMs are called Ethereum virtual machine, and in that virtual machine all the Ethereum accounts and smart contract lives. So there is a fact. So the fact is, the smart contract language like Solidity cannot be executed by EVM directly or Ethereum virtual machine directly. So instead, they are compiled to low-level machine instructions, and those are called opcodes. So basically, the EVM cannot execute the smart contract, the smart contract that developed by the Solidity language. So they convert all they compiled to the EVM compiled to low level machine instructions. So those are called opcodes. So today in this small introduction tutorial we studied about Solidity and smart contract and EVMs, Ethereum virtual machines. So these are the fundamentals of the blockchain or the smart contract and Solidity. So the first thing we learned about Solidity is it's a language, it's a programming language, it's an object oriented high level language for implementing smart contract. And the second one is smart contract. What are smart contract? So smart contract is a program stored on a blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met, and the smart contract run in the EVM. So what are EVM? EVM is called the Ethereum virtual machine, and it's a platform that developer can use to create decentralized applications on Ethereum platform. So it's a virtual machine, and developer can create decentralized application. And in this virtual machine is where all the Ethereum accounts and smart contract live. So this is the simple fundamentals that we learned today in this tutorial. So we will this is just a introduction video. We will look more into Solidity and smart contract and different kind of smart contract, and more deep dive to EVM. So this is just a introduction tutorial. We will deep more into the Solidity and smart contract in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.